In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form to Shopify Contact Us page. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional contact page that uses Shopify's built-in form, so customers can reach you without any extra apps or code. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation. Head into Online Store, and then Open Pages. This is where all of your static pages live, like About, FAQ, and of course, Contact. Click Add Page to create a new one. You'll land in the page editor. Give your page a clear title, such as Contact Us. This title appears both at the top of the page and in your browser tab, so keep it simple and professional. In the content area, you can write a short message to set expectations for customers, perhaps your typical response time, your business hours, or alternative ways to get help. This text will appear above the contact form and helps reduce back and forth by answering common questions up front. Next, find the template or theme template setting on the right side of the editor. It will likely be set to default page. Open that drop-down and select the contact template. This is the key step. Choosing the contact template automatically adds Shopify's native contact form to the page when it's published. You won't see the full form in the editor, but it will appear on the live page. If you don't see a contact option, make sure you're using a theme that includes a contact template. Nearly all current Shopify themes do. When you're happy with the title, any introductory text, and the template selection, click Save. Saving applies the template and creates the page. To confirm everything looks right, use the View or Preview option. You should see a clean form with fields for name, email, and message. Keep your introductory text short, so the form stays prominent and easy to complete. It's a good idea to submit a quick test message to yourself to verify delivery. Messages are sent to the store email associated with your Shopify settings, so check that inbox and your spam folder if you don't see the test come through. A few quick tips to make this work even harder for you. Keep your message clear about response times, since that sets customer expectations. If you later need custom fields, you can explore your theme's customization options. And for discoverability, consider adding this new page to your site's main menu or footer through your navigation settings. That's it. Your Contact Us page now includes a working Shopify contact form.